Namaste sabko. Welcome to our channel. Today we'll be going to discuss the problem number 9 from the ISI MSTAT PSA 2024. The problem goes by this. Let S be the set of vectors x equal to x1, x2, x3 in R such that xi belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for all I and not all xi's are equal. For how many ordered pairs xy belongs to S cross S are x and y are linearly dependent vectors in R. So important points to note in the question are that xi, the value of xi can take in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and that not all xi's are equal. And then we have to find like this x and y are linearly dependent vectors for how many ordered pairs. So this is our question. Now, since you have summarized the question, now we will see what are the things that we need to solve this problem. So one of the fundamental things that we need is the basic permutation concept of class 11 and 12. And another is linearly dependence concept. So what is that? Given x and y are linearly dependent, y must be a scalar multiple of x. It implies y equal to alpha x. Similarly, anyone can write it as x equal to some beta y also. Okay. So you can take any one of them. So now here comes the interesting part. What are the values that alpha can take? So alpha can take only three values, 1, 2 and half. You can just thought it intuitively and you will get the answer. Why only these three values? So we'll go deep into each of these three values. So if alpha equal to 1, x can have 120 possibilities. 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125 minus 5. So how we are getting this 125 and 5? So see, xi can take any of the 5 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For all I, 1, 2, 3 means x1, x2, x3, there are 3 for that means I equal to 1, 2, 3, x1, x2, x3. Can take any one of the 5 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why 5 into 5 into 5. But as I've already mentioned, it is given in the question that all xi's cannot be same. So that's why we need to subtract 5 cases where all the xi's are equal. Like for example, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, like this 5, 5, 5, 5 cases. Okay. So that's why 125 minus 5 equal to 120. Similarly, for alpha equal to 2, x can have two possibilities, 1 and 2. And then you have to also subtract it by 2. Same, then that's why it is 2 into 2 into 2 minus 3 equal to 6 possibilities. Similarly, for alpha equal to half, like the similar cases, like where alpha equal to half will be similar, but only the change is that xi will now take 2 and 4 instead of 1 and 2. And thus, the total number of possibilities is 120 plus 6 plus 6, which is equal to 132. Hare Krishna.